How to edit a pin's caption or link on Pinterest. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Pinterest on your device. In here, click on your profile at the bottom right. Then click on Created. Here will be all your pins. Now click on the pin you want to edit. Then click on the three dots. After you click on the three dots, click on Edit. Now, from here, you can edit your caption as you want and description. And if you had link in here, you can simply delete the link and add a new link in here as well. After you've edited everything, press on Save at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you do that, you're good to go. As you can see, this is how to edit a pin's caption or link on Pinterest. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.